we set sail from the street cove of Cork. We were sailing away with the cargo of bricks for the Grand City Hall in New York. 'Twas a wonderful craft, she was rigged fore and aft, and know how the wild wind over. She stood several blasts, she had 27 masts, and they called her the Irish Rover.
We had 1,000,000 bags of the best lager rights, we had 2,000,000 barrels of corn. We had 3,000,000 barrels of our nanny goat's tails, we had 4,000,000 barrels of stone. We had 5,000,000 dogs, 6,000,000 herds, 7,000,000 barrels of port. We had 8,000,000 hides of our blind horses' hides, and all of the Irish Rover.
There was old Mickey Cute, who played hard on his flute when the ladies lined up for a set. He would tootle with skill for each sparkling quadrille, to the dancers were fluted and bet. With his smart, witty talk, he was cock on the walk, and he rolled a dame under and over. They all knew at a glance when he took up his stance, and he sailed in the Irish Rover.
Suddenly there was Hogan from County Tyrone. There was Johnny McGurk, who was scared stiff of work, and a man from Westmeath come along. There was Slugger O'Toole, who was drunk as a road, and fighting Pat Shicey from Dover. A young man like McCann from the banks of the Bank, the skipper on the Irish Rover.
For a sailor it's always a bother in life, it's so lonesome by night and by day. Then he longs for the shore and a pretty young whore who will melt all his troubles away. All the noise and the rout, swilling, punching and stout, for him soon is done and over. Of the love of a maid, he is never afraid, and a son from the Irish Rover. We have sailed 7 years when the mazes broke out, and he ship lost its way in the fog. And the whale crew was reduced down to two, with the supper and our captains on dog. Then a ship struck a rock, oh Lord, what a shock. So it turned right over, turned 9 times around, then the poor old dog was drowned. The Irish Rover.